Discover the best smart speakers to elevate your home experience. Are you ready to transform your home into a smart haven? Smart speakers are not just about playing your favorite tunes. They're your personal assistants, your entertainment hubs, and the control center for your smart home. Let's dive into the world of smart speakers and find the perfect one for you. Hashtag how to choose between Alexa, Apple, and Google. First things first, what sets a smart speaker apart from a regular speaker? It's all about the built-in microphone and voice assistant that listens for your commands. Imagine saying, Siri, play Mr. Blue Sky by Yellow, or Alexa, what's the weather today? Smart speakers do more than just playing music. They give you access to podcasts, audiobooks, news updates, and even help you manage your shopping lists and schedules. Plus, they're the backbone of your smart home, allowing you to control devices with just your voice. Before you make a purchase, you'll want to decide on a platform: Amazon Alexa, Google Home, or Apple Home/Siri. Each has its unique features, and your choice might come down to personal preference or the devices you already own. Hashtag Amazon Alexa, the smart home champion. Amazon's Echo lineup is powered by Alexa, a voice assistant that connects with a staggering number of smart home devices, over 140,000. That's way ahead of Google Home and Apple. The Alexa app, while a bit clunky, has improved over time, and once you set up your devices, they often connect automatically. Echo speakers come in various shapes and sizes, making it easy to find one that fits your space and budget. However, be prepared for Alexa to occasionally suggest products based on your activity, which can feel a bit intrusive. With a Prime subscription, you can enjoy Amazon Music, and Alexa is getting smarter with the upcoming Alexa Plus powered by generative AI, promising a more conversational experience. Hashtag Apple Home/Siri, the privacy advocate. If privacy is your top concern, Apple's HomePod and HomePod Mini are your best bets. They work seamlessly with the Apple Home app and are designed for iOS and Mac users. Apple's privacy policy is straightforward and reassuring, ensuring your data is used only to enhance your experience. While the Apple Home app is user-friendly and intuitive, it supports fewer smart home devices compared to Alexa and Google. Plus, with only 2 speaker models available, you might find your options limited. Hashtag Google Home, the information guru. Google Nest devices, powered by Google Assistant, excel at answering questions thanks to Google's vast knowledge base. They integrate beautifully with Google Calendar, making it easy to manage your schedule. However, while Google supports a decent number of smart home devices, it doesn't quite match Alexa's compatibility. Google is also transitioning to its new AI platform, Gemini, which promises to enhance the smart home experience even further. Hashtag best smart speaker for beginners. If you're new to the smart speaker world, the Echo Dot 5th Gen is a fantastic entry point. It's affordable, easy to use, and connects with a wide range of smart home devices. Plus, it's surprisingly loud for its compact size. If you prefer Google, the Google Nest Mini 2nd Gen is a solid alternative, though it may not deliver the same sound quality as the Echo Dot. Hashtag best smart speaker for cooking. In the kitchen, a smart speaker can be your best friend. The Echo Show 8 3rd Gen is perfect for following recipes, setting timers, and even streaming your favorite shows while you cook. It's like having a sous chef right on your counter. Hashtag best smart speaker for the bedside. For your nightstand, the Google Nest Hub 2nd Gen is a great choice. It tracks your sleep patterns and can double as an alarm clock, all while providing a gentle glow to guide you in the dark. Hashtag best smart speaker for music lovers. If music is your passion, the Apple HomePod 2nd generation delivers rich, immersive sound and supports spatial audio. It's a perfect fit for Apple users, while the Google Nest Audio offers impressive sound quality for Android fans. Hashtag best smart speaker for kids. The Amazon Echo Dot Kids Edition is designed with children in mind, featuring fun designs and kid-friendly responses. Plus, it comes with a year of Amazon Kids plus 4 extra content. Hashtag best smart speaker for the bathroom. For those who enjoy tunes or podcasts while getting ready, the Echo Dot 5th Gen is compact enough to fit in any bathroom. Just keep it away from water. Hashtag best smart speaker for the office. Finally, the Google Nest Hub Max is perfect for the office, offering calendar integration and video call capabilities. If space is tight, the Amazon Echo Show 5 is a smaller alternative that still packs a punch. With so many options available, there's a smart speaker out there for everyone. Whether you want to control your smart home, enjoy music, or simply stay organized, these devices can make your life easier and more enjoyable.